take you to the candy shop. I'll let you lick the lollipop. Go ahead, girl, don't you stop.